Okay, so I have another layout. The background is going to be basil cardstock, and I did some um, watercolor and painting to the background because this is after making, he wanted to do a portrait of him and his dad liked Pac-Man, so he wanted to also do Pac-Man. He also painted those items. And so I'm putting it only seems like the right thing to do that I do watercolors to the background. So the pink circles are cut from Vicky Bouton Color Kaleidoscope. And then the number circles are cut from Heidi Swapp's Color Fresh, and the floral circles are cut from Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. And then my photo mat is Heidi Swapp's Color Fresh called Counting on You. And it's actually the reverse side are the numbers, and that's why it's Counting on You. I believe, yeah. And I use Vicky Bouton's watercolors in my palette. It's very used, as you can see. So I'm going to use the same colors that I brushed across the page. I'm going to use those to do splatters. And then I'm going to have to let that dry. But I think I had to leave for a time, and then by the time I come back, it was dry. Alright, so it's dry now, so I'm going to start adding all my layers. I'm glad I finally got my lawn finished mowed yesterday. I started it, I mowed it Saturday and then finished the other half yesterday before it rained. Or it started lightning and thundering. It never really rained, I don't think. Just a lot of noise, and then our lights went out. Alright. Which one am I? Hooked to my regular net here. Every time the electricity goes out, my Linksys Wi-Fi extender is acting up. It's every time we lose power, I have to reset it. It doesn't. It's irritating. I mean, like factory reset. Reset it up. Anyway, so now I'm adding the embellishments. Die cuts are Vicky Bouton, of course, and I'm using those chipboard stickers, which are American Crafts Hello Friend stickers. And I'm titling it So Much is from the Hello Friend stickers, and Fun I didn't write it down. Yeah, I think it's all So Much Fun come from those as well. because I saw that title and thought, hey, you know what? That would make a good title because he did have so much fun painting. I think we watched Smurfs while doing this. And then this also gave me the opportunity to use those paintbrushes and pencils and whatnots that I normally wouldn't probably use. So after that, after I get these down, that pretty much is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.